Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Intimate Whitening Gel reviews. Well friends, this video will help you know whether this product Intimate Whitening Gel is a legit one or a scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy this product or not? Moreover, if you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out more about the product. Here you can see this is Intimate Area Lightening Gel Multi-Actives 10% Brightening Concentrate by Divine Derriere. This is Divine Derriere's Intimate Skin Lightening Gel for your body, face, bikini and sensitive areas. It's a skin whitening cream that contains mulberry extracts, arbutin, B-white peptides. The bottle is available in 30 ml of size. The price of the product is $23.99. But guys, all these things are not sufficient for you to decide whether you should buy the product or not. So for that, I'm going to share all the features, specifications, benefits, pros and cons of the product along with the legitimacy checkpoints. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. It will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further guys, here I will show you the main ingredients of the product. It includes water, glycerine, ethyl oil, alpha-butene, kojic acid, mandelic acid, Morus alba root which is mulberry extract, B-white peptides. These are the main ingredients of the product. Along with that, you will find many other ingredients as well. The item is available in cream and gel form. It is a popular brand, Divine Derriere. Skin type for which the product is useful includes oily combination, sensitive, dry and normal. Now guys, when you purchase any of the two Divine Derriere products, you get 10% off, but this offer is limited and you need to check whether this offer is available at the time you order the product or not. So it is not sure that you will get every time a discount on the product. Moving further, here you can see more about the product. This product helps you look great and feel confident from inside because you don't have to take the embarrassment of intimate and anal bleaching appointments to the spa. You can do this from the comfort of your home with the help of the Divine Derriere's Intimate Skin Lightening Gel. It enhances the overall tone of the most private areas of your body. Divine's Intimate Gel has been specially designed with natural and plant-based ingredients so that the areas which frame some discoloration on the intimate and sensitive external areas of the skin, it can be removed. You should apply the product all over your face, elbows and underarms. These days most of the people are taking it upon themselves to enhance their overall skin appearance in both intimate and sensitive areas as well. So if you wish to make your bikini line more brighter, you can use this product on a regular basis. Why Divine? It is made up of concentrated formula that lasts up to 1 month. If you use it on a regular basis, it is safe to use on all the intimate areas and sensitive areas. It is friendly and comes with a same day customer service. You can also see here this cream. So guys, when I come to the customer reviews, I found that this product has received 3.8 star rating out of 5, which is quite impressive. And talking about the cons of the product, people were happy with the result of the product, but the only problem was that some complained about the delivery and they found the size of the bottle quite small. So guys, overall this product has received appreciation from everywhere. So yes, this is a legit product and worth buying if you want to enhance the look of your sensitive and intimate area skin. You can give this product a trial. Now guys, if you are experiencing any fraud and you are looking for money back option, all you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. View the link properly friends. Please comment your thoughts over the video, like our video, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you. Have a nice day.